Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Walk to Earn feature on the Sweatcoin application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sweatcoin app on your device, and after you have logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, right within your homepage, you will see the Sweat Wallet option where you will see Walk into Crypto. Just tap on the opt-in option and now you will find the button to download Sweat Wallet. Tap on this option, which will now take you into the Google Play Store page or the iOS App Store page, where you can simply tap on the install button. Once you tap on install, this will begin the download and installation of the Sweat Wallet application. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. You can tap on this button to open up the app, and you may also enable the auto open toggle, which will automatically open up the application once it is done installing. Now, once the application is opened up, you can tap on the Continue with Sweatcoin option to link your Sweatcoin account. Then tap on Opt into Crypto, and now choose your Google account that you have used while signing up to your Sweatcoin account. Now you will be welcomed to your wallet account on Sweat Wallet. Tap on Open your wallet, and you will now be taken into your wallet homepage right away. And this means that you can now start earning while you walk by making Sweatcoins. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate Walk to Earn on the Sweatcoin application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.